Hello everyone, welcome to Elif's kitchen. Today I want to share with you my recipe for Melba toast dessert. It is very delicious and very easy. I hope you will try and like it too. I'm waiting for your likes and comments. Let's get started. First, let's place a pack of unsalted Melba toast inside a rectangular Pyrex. Now, take 1½ cups of sugar into the pot for the sherbet. I will prepare a caramelized sherbet, but if you don't like the taste of caramel, you can prepare your sherbet directly without burning the sugar at all. I burn the sugar a little over medium heat until the sugar turns lightly brown. Look, after it turns lightly brown, let's add 1½ cups of water. Let's turn down the stove at this stage and add carefully. The sugar became lumpy, as you can see. Let's boil over low heat until the sugar melts. But be careful, if you burn the sugar too much, it will give a bitter taste to your desserts. We have to be very careful at this stage. The sherbet is ready. Now, let's pour the hot syrup on all sides of the toasts. Let's prepare our dessert pudding now. I took a liter of milk in the pot. Let's add 2 teacups of flour and 1 teacup of sugar and mix it well with the beater. And then, let's take it to the stove. Let's stir it over medium heat until it boils. We turn down the stove after it starts to boil. Let's boil for 2-3 minutes on low heat. Then add 2 dessert spoons of butter and 1 pack of vanilla. Let's take it from the stove by mixing it well. Then we whisk our pudding for 3-4 minutes with a mixer and spread our pudding on the toasts. Let's smooth it out and put it in the fridge. It needs to cool down completely. Meanwhile, let's whisk a pack of whipped cream with ½ cup of cold milk. Of course, you can use ready-made whipped cream, but I used whipped cream powder. Let's spread it on our completely cooled dessert. Let's straighten it well and sprinkle lots of grated coconut. Now cover it with plastic wrap and keep it in the fridge for at least 2-3 hours. You can serve your dessert later. I wanted to decorate it with grated chocolate. You can decorate it as you wish. You see the consistency. Its consistency and taste turned out to be a wonderful dessert. I hope you will try and like it too. I'm waiting for your likes and comments. Thank you for watching my video.